is David Roberts with Tennessee Arms Company. We're going to do a quick assembly of our AR-15 takedown rifle. We've got a full-size 16-inch rifle to fit inside of this small case. You can use any case you want, laptop case, backpack, briefcase, whichever. The main components are the upper and lower receiver assembly. I've got an optic on mine. You've got the barrel and low profile back gas block. And you've got the carbon fiber tube with the threaded portion of the barrel nut underneath. The way you assemble this is you take the top hole, feed in your gas block or your gas tube, take the pressure off the bolt, index the nut on the barrel, and then feed on the free flow tube until it stops. You've got a full-size AR-15 in a nice takedown case that you can carry anywhere, and doesn't look like a rifle case at all.